everybody. I'm here with my dog, Daisy.
My hand's stuck.
No, it's not.
I got it.
Daisy! This is how playful she is. Alexis, do you want to come back? I'm going to zoom in on Daisy really quick. Look how cool this is. Watch, I could just do this. Zoom in. Oh, Daisy ran. Guys, you can see her through. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Whoa. So that's me, Duke Daisy, everyone. Whoa. Yeah, she's fast. Who's a good girl? She's a really good dog.
Oh, she's looking me in the butt with her tail.
Oh my gosh! She can't even take the stick.
Oh, she doesn't do the reindeer leap anymore.
Not really.
She used to do that. This little thing that looks like she was one of Santa's reindeer.
Yeah. Here, wait. Hold the camera on me.
This is what she used to do. She would be on the ground running, and she was like a reindeer.
So yeah. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Ow! She like slid my. The thing like slit my knee. One last round, Daisy. Just. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Whoa! Here, run after her. Run after her. Just do it for the viewers. Running after the dog. And she's going for a bunch of laps. Alright guys, thanks for watching. My dog Daisy. Whoa. That's my dog Daisy, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Whoa! Oh my god, bye.